Hello learners, welcome to LC Academy and welcome back to our UI UX designs journey. In the previous video we learned how to connect and how to design UI in Canva. In this video we learn about what is UX design process. Let's get into the video. In today's session, we are going to learn about UX designs process. Before we start designing beautiful interfaces, we need to understand something very important. That means UX stands for user experience. UX designs is the process of creating a product or services that provide a meaningful, useful, and enjoyable experience for users. Many beginners think UX designs is only about making screen look attractive, but not actually UI design. But that is the process of UI designs. Okay, make a screen very attractive. That concept related to the UI design. The UX designs focuses how an user feels when interacting with the product. For an example, imagine you are using food delivery app. If you want to easily search for food, place and order, tracking deliveries and complete the payment without confusion, then the app provide a good user experience. There are three core principles of UX designs. The first one is user-centered design. This means every design decision should be based on user needs rather than the personal option. Okay. And the second one is iteration. The iteration is design never perfect on the first attempt. We continuously improve based on their feedbacks. And the third one is holistic thinking. UX designer consider a complete journey from the user first interaction and to long-term usage. A great user experience makes product feel simple, natural and enjoyable. Okay? And then now understanding the user. First of all, you are a UI UX designer. You can understand the user's thoughts and user things. Okay, user understanding is very important for design UI UX designing. Before designing anything, we need to understand our user requirements. Who are they? What are they trying to achieve? And what are the problems are facing? Understanding user in foundation of UX designs. Let's imagine we are designing a banking app. A college students may want to quick balance check and simple payments. A business owners may need advanced financial management features, and both use have a different needs. So as a UX designer, we need to identify their goals, their frustrations, their behaviors, and then their technical knowledges. And then the environment is which they use the product. For an example, a busy professional might use a mobile app while traveling. That means the design must allow takes completed quickly and efficiently. The designs must allow tasks very quickly and comfortably. So, without understanding the user, we are simply making assumption. Okay, and the assumptions often lead to poor user experience. Like the real-time example is think about the Google search. The reason it becomes successful, it's because they focused on what user actually want and was fast and simple access to the information. So all are using Google. Okay. Now user research basics. Now that we know importance of understanding user, the next question is how do we learn about them? The answer is user research. First of all, you can understand the user. You need to user research. Okay. So, user research is the process of studying the user, understanding their needs, their behaviors, their motivations, and their challenges and requirements. Okay. There are three common research methods. Are there? The first one is interview. This involves having one-on-one conversation with user. That time, the interview time, you can understand what why users uh, requirements, what they exactly need from you. So the interview is the first process, and then we in the interview process we can ask many questions, their goals, frustrations, and their experience. Okay, you give the more knowledge and more things from your user. Okay, and the second method is survey. The survey is nothing but it helps to collect information from the large number of users quickly. Okay. The one-on-one process is you can give the knowledge from only one person, and then the survey process is get the more knowledges from more persons. So, okay, for an example, a company might ask hundreds of customers about their shopping habits. Okay, and the third one is observation. Observation means sometimes that what people says and what they actually do are different. Observing user in real situations helps us identify hidden problems. For an example, if you are if your user struggle to find the checkout button during online shopping, observation will revealing the issue immediately. User research helps to designers replace the guesses with facts. Okay. The fourth one is user persons. It means after collecting the research data, we organize the information using personas. A persona is a character that represent the group of real users. Think of a persona as a summary of our target audience. For an example, meet some person, meet some person. She's age is like 28 years old. She works on marketing manager. She is busy after use the mobile apps while communicating. Her goal is complete the task quickly. Her frustration is complicated navigation. Okay, so the person helps designers remember who they are designing for. So a good person typically includes her name, age, occupation, goals, pain points, technical skills, and the representative quads. Okay, and user journey. Once we understand our users, we need to understand their journey. A user journey map is the visual representation of user experience from beginning to end. First of all, you can clearly understand your user experience, your user thoughts and requirements. You can analyze what your client or what your user can need. Okay, so our journey mapping helps identify the pain points and opportunities to improve your skills and also your users requirements. Okay, it's one of the most best tool for understanding the complete user experience. Wireframing basics. Now it's a time to start designing. The first design step is creating a wireframe. A wireframe is nothing but it's a blueprint of the screen or interface. Think of it as a architectural plan of building. Before constructing a house, architectures create like a blueprint. This is hall. In this side, you have a bedroom. In this side, you have a dining hall. So, as an architecture, you see some civil engineers for your house building. First of all, they give a blueprint of your house and then he started construction works. So the same method, you can create a UI, you can create a website or mobile pages. The wireframing is the method of creating a designing app. Okay, wireframe focuses on layout, structures, content placement, navigation, and user flow. At this stage, we don't worry about colors or visual designs. UI, like comparing to UI and UX designs, UI need a colors, typographies, and attractive font size, the attractive colors and animation effects. But the UX is differently opposite from UI because the UX don't need a color and the clear font size typographies. We simply decide where the elements we should appear. And for an example, boxes can represent the image, lines can represent the text, and the rectangulars are represent the buttons. The goal is focuses on functionality only. So before aesthetic, the functionality is needed. Okay. Next concept is prototyping concept. Once wireframes are approved, the next step is prototyping. Yeah, prototyping is working simulation of the product. It allows user and stakeholders to understand how the product will function before development begins. There are three common types of prototypes. The first one is paper prototype. Your handwritten works. Like there are simple hand drawn sketches for representing your layouts. And then clickable mockups. Clickable mockups means this connect to the screen together a simulate navigation. Like it's not a no need to you can sit and write your own way. You can connect to the screens together in the simulate navigation. And the next one is interactive prototype. These closely resemble the final product and includes the animation and interactions. For an example, clicking a login button might move user can go to the home screen. The prototype help identify the issues early, saving the time and development cost. Okay. Next one is usability testing. After creating a prototype, we need to test it. This process is called usability testing. This goal is very simple. That is, can you successfully complete the task without any assistance? The process usually involves the 4 steps. The first one is defining the testing goals, and the second one is accurate participants who match your target audience. The third one is observe them the products, and the fourth one is analyze the result. A common mistake is helping user during testing. Instead of we should observe quickly and identify where they struggle. If multiple users encounters the same problem, that strong signal that this designs needs improvement. Usability testing helps transform the assumptions into evidence. Okay, and then the next one is one of the most important lesson in UX design is design is never finished. After testing, we analyzing the feedback and improve the experience. Not everyone problem has same priority. If you are see the different types of users, the different types of users have a different requirements, different analysis, and that they give the different feedback. So not every problem has same priority. UX designers usually evaluate changes based on user impact, business values, and development effort. For an example, like if users consistently struggling with the login process, fixing the issues should become a high priority. That improving the UX is about making the product easier, faster, and more enjoyable to use. Okay. Now, okay, guys, this is UI UX. This is the basics of UX designs. What are the types used in UX designs? What are the concept to connect UX to UI? That prototyping and then wireframing, usability testing. These are the basic concepts of UX. So I hope you can understand this video. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching LC Academy. Thank you.